Welcome to the Cooler Deepers. Today we're going to show you how to remove the pallets from the brand new unit. So I need to deliver with the pallets. So first of all, we can see the units was strapped with the ropes. We need to cut off it first. After we cut off the ropes, you can just securely remove them to the sideway and the leftover. So we can just move this fridge a little bit back and make it clean it.
Okay.
And when you pull it down, make sure you have enough people at the hands or you're against with the wall to secure the units. And then we have one person at the front to remove the screws using the drill to remove it. And we push it back. And we just push it down to the other side. Turn around. And we just repeat the job. And push a little bit up. Slide it up. That's how we remove the pallets from these units. And after receiving the units, you can open the box to inspect it, to making sure no delivery damages, if anything wrong with it, and just let us know and contact with our customer support. Thank you for watching these videos.